So you might be in a situation where for some reason your applications keep crashing on iOS 26.6. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing we recommend doing is to go through and force close that application and try reopening up that application again. So force close that application, right? So swipe up, close it out, give it 5 to 10 seconds, and once it's been a few seconds, click back open on that application, and that should end up fixing the problem there. For a lot of people, that's kind of what we recommend doing, and hopefully that will end up fixing the problem. If that's still not working, another thing you might want to try doing is to try going through and try restarting your iPhone. So hold the buttons you normally would to restart your iPhone, slide the power off, give it a few moments, turn it back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem there for you as well. If that's still not working, you might have to try going through and try updating that application. So search for that application, whatever application it is, on the App Store, click on that update button, and all you're going to want to do here is to try updating that application. Once again, chances are that's another really easy thing you can do to kind of fix that problem, and or you can still go through and reinstall that app. So hold down on that application, whatever it is. You can remove the application and then go through and bring that application back in by re-downloading it. So hopefully that ends up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.